In this video, we will be discussing the Design Understanding page. The objective of Design Understanding in SQM is to document an understanding of the nature and circumstances of the firm and the engagements performed by the firm. The understanding of the firm will assist in identifying conditions, events, circumstances, actions or inactions that may adversely affect the achievement of the quality objectives, which will result in the recording of possible quality risks. Understanding can be found in the Design module. This page has a few sections which include questions to be answered. These questions will prompt the documentation of the firm's understanding and will assist in identifying possible quality risks, which should then be recorded and assessed. The sections are complexity and operating characteristics of the firm, strategic and operational decisions and actions, business processes, and business model of the firm, the characteristic and management style of leadership, the resources of the firm, including the resources provided by service providers, law, regulation, professional standards, and the environment in which the firm operates, network considerations, client portfolio risks, and other conditions, events, circumstances, actions or inactions about the firm. To expand a section, click on the section header. The questions for that section will then be visible. To collapse a section, click on the section header. The sections include questions that either require a manual input into a text area or a box that holds options to select in response to a question. Questions with text areas are answered by completing the text area. Simple questions are answered by selecting one of the options provided in the box. Where the information recorded in a text area is more than the space provided by default, the height of the field can be increased. Select the bottom right corner of the text area field and drag it down to increase the height. Drag it up to decrease the height. All questions must be answered and signed off as prepared by before continuing with the rest of the design of the firm's system of quality management. This is achieved by clicking on the sign-off icon next to the question. The individual with ultimate responsibility and accountability for the firm's system of quality management, also referred to as the UR, must conclude that all objectives and risks have been recorded. This conclusion is done in the context of the firm's understanding of the nature and circumstances of the firm and the engagements that it performs. The UR has the option to document a note in the text area and will click on the Agree and Sign Off button to indicate their conclusion. After approval, the screen will reflect the note made, if any, the name of the approver, and the date of the approval. After completing this page, you will have a clear understanding of all the elements of your firm and its engagements, and will be able to take this information into consideration while designing your firm's system of quality management. You now know how to complete the Design Understanding page. This page also contains the following features. Please continue watching for more on the features available on this page. To sign off an item indicating that it is prepared, reviewed, or that the responsibility is accepted, the user selects the Sign Off icon. The Sign Off icon will be replaced by the avatar of the user that signed off. A toast is also reflected at the bottom right corner. To remove the sign-off, select the avatar and click on Remove Sign-Off. The sign-off icon will reappear and a toast at the bottom right corner will confirm that the sign-off has been removed. Links or URLs can be added to documentation saved elsewhere. URLs can either be to a document in the Caseware Cloud instance or to another location, such as the firm's SharePoint library. To add a link or URL to another document, select the option to add a new annotation. In the dialog, add the link to the field and a note for other users to understand what the document is. Click Save. The newly added link will be indicated by a link icon. Hover over the icon to see the URL and the note for that link. In predefined instances, more than one link can be added. This will be indicated by the Add a New Annotation icon located below the link icon. To add a new item, select the Quick Create icon. Select the item to be added from the drop-down menu. Only items relevant to your role and the module you are in will be displayed. A dialog will open for the newly created item. Complete the dialog and click on Save to save the item, or click on Close to discard and exit. Thank you for watching.